everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Niket here and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change name on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Telegram application. After you log into your account, now tap on the three-line icon from the upper right corner. You will land on this page. Now from here, tap on settings under saved messages. Now from here, tap on the three dot icon from the upper right corner. Again, a dialog box will pop up. From there, tap on edit name. And in here, you can change your name. If you want to add your last name as well, type in your last name, or that is an optional case as well. And once you're done with that, tap on the tick mark from the upper right corner. And with that, your name has been changed on Telegram. So this is how you can change name on Telegram. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.